Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showcasing Outre's perfect hairline unit. This is Julianne and I have it in DR Ginger Brown. I will link all of the information on this wig and where you can purchase it in my description box below. So be sure to check it out at SAMSBEAUTY.com. So I'm getting into the cap construction. You get 2 combs in the front, an elastic band, 1 comb in the back. You do get a 13x6 lace frontal, and the lace is supposed to be HD transparent, and I will say it's pretty transparent, so you will need to go in and use some type of powder, concealer, or lace tint to get the lace to melt into your skin properly. I did tweeze the hairline just a little bit because the hairline needed a little bit of work.
Second, I know you feel the beat. Do you feel the rhythm all the way? Can you see the vision? Everything in this world will be okay.
So y'all know I had to do me a little swoop and my infamous sideburn. I got a cap on that is definitely way too light for my skin complexion, so please try to ignore that. I pulled out my pressing comb to help this hair lay down. Let's get into the texture. The texture on this wig is kinky, yucky, and it's just everything. It's not too overpowering. It definitely is a more heavier density. So I would classify this wig as the perfect fall wig. In that color, sis, do you see the color? This color is everything for fall. Your girl's ready, okay? She's ready. Something that I wanted to point out is toward the crown area, the knots are very harsh and very visible. So even if I had on a darker cap or no cap at all, in that crown area, it's gonna kind of be a little clockable, sis. So watch how you part this wig, and definitely go with a cap that's your skin complexion. Don't make the mistake that I did. The main attraction that I had with this wig is the style. It is so timeless. Oh my gosh, absolutely love it, because y'all know I love me a good swoop bang. And if you are one of those people who love body and a good swoop bang, then this unit could definitely be for you. Again, keep in mind you can part it to the left side or the right side, or even in the middle, so you can get your life in multiple kind of ways. The length is about 18 inches, so it's a pretty natural length for everyday wear, even though this style may not be an everyday style for some, because she's gonna give you like the looks, okay, and the feels. Now let me run down a few specs that you guys will want to know in case you're interested in purchasing this wig. The lace is super soft. You guys seen that you're going to have to work with the color of the lace. The hairline does need some manipulation if you want it to look as natural as possible. The cap construction on this wig is more on the small side, so it's not big head friendly unless you want to pull some hair out. I received a realistic amount of shedding considering that this is a colored synthetic wig. I didn't get any tangling, so that's definitely a plus, right? I will leave links down below to SAMSBEAUTY.com along with a direct link to this wig. It's definitely OhSo approved. Y'all know how I feel about this style. I hope you guys like it. Definitely get this in your collection for fall if you haven't got your hands on it already. I'll see you guys in my next video. Please let me know your thoughts down below. Thank you for watching. Bye.